I've shared the files. If you have downloaded those files before, you don't have to. But if you check on the group, there's some files that you need to have. And I think I gave you an instruction on how to access the software. And with installation of NVivo software, you said we're going to use the trial version. So immediately you create an account, you will have an interface like what you're seeing at the moment. And you have a chance to decide on your operating system. So for those who are using Windows, you can download your system from here. For those who are using Mac, you also have the same chance. On the system requirement, you can confirm if you meet the specs for the software. And I've said here for NVivo Windows, you need to have at least 4 GB RAM and 64 bits processing. So regardless, whether you're using 32 bits or 64 bits, you should be good to go. And at least you should be having 5 GB available in your space. So let me confirm. How many of you have managed to download and install the NVivo software?
I have the software.
Okay. Let's wait for your colleague so that they also confirm the same.